F100 supports no angle sensor, attitude sensor, and Hall sensor. Tap the one according to your real case. For no angle sensor mode, enter the vehicle steering speed ratio, turn the steering wheel from the left limit position to the right limit position, and record the number of turns. The vehicle steering speed ratio is the value multiplied by 6. Enter maximum turning angle, which is the maximum angle that the wheels can turn to the left or right from the aligned position. After setting the vehicle steering speed ratio and maximum turning angle, you need to adjust the compensation coefficient if the straight line performance is less than satisfactory in the auto steering mode. The default value is 0. When the steering wheel responds too slowly, increase the value, which cannot exceed 10. If the steering wheel responds too fast, decrease the value moderately. Tap Save. If attitude sensor is installed, tap attitude sensor and then Yes to confirm switch angle sensor mode. Select your angle sensor installation position and enter the maximum angle that the wheels can turn to the left or right from the aligned position, then tap calibration. If Hall sensor is installed, tap Hall sensor and then Yes to confirm switch Hall sensor mode. Select the installation position and then tap calibration. Turn the wheel to the leftmost. Tap OK. Then turn the wheel to the rightmost. Tap OK. Turn the wheel to the center. Tap OK. The calibration is completed.